3 months back, first dose of COVID vaccination was conducted here only, and today is the second dose. As the pandemic situation is increasing, and we can see now the third wave is also approaching. So it is a good measure that we have got the second dose, and in the future we may be conducting the third dose as usual. And today, the Secretary of Koktwma Press Club, Mr. Khumulwng, and the General Secretary of Tripura Electronics Media Society, Mr. Sojit Pal, they also came here and they encouraged us. And I want to convey a message to all the people of the state that who have not taken the vaccination, they should take immediately, and it is for the goodness for them.
Sir, there are some rumors about COVID vaccination. So what do you want to say about that?
I think there is no rumors because I have taken the Secretary of Khumulwng Press Club, he also taken, we have experienced one. Yeah, in my experience of my first dose, I got sickness for 1 day, and I think he didn't get sickness. But for me, it is no problem at all. It is usual.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.